Everyone called you weird, too quiet, too alone, too different. They said something was wrong with you. But what if nothing was wrong? What if everything was actually right? Science has discovered something shocking about people who prefer to be alone. And after watching this video, you'll never see yourself the same way again. Stay till sign number 3, because that one will completely change how you understand yourself. Most people can chat for hours about nothing, weather, sports, what they ate. But you? 5 minutes of meaningless conversation leaves you exhausted. Here's why this matters. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that highly intelligent people experience significantly less satisfaction from social interactions that lack depth or meaning. Your brain is literally wired for deeper connections. Small talk isn't boring to you because you're antisocial. It's boring because your mind operates on a frequency most people never reach. When was the last time you had your best idea in a crowd? Probably never, because solitude isn't emptiness. For you, it's fuel. Psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, who spent 30 years studying the world's most creative minds, found one pattern in all of them. They all protected their alone time like it was their most valuable asset. Einstein walked alone for hours. Newton isolated himself for years. Tesla worked in complete solitude. They weren't loners. They were loading. In any room you walk into, you notice everything. Who's uncomfortable, who's performing, who's lying. While others are talking, you're reading. This is called hyperobservational intelligence, and research from the University of Michigan shows that people with higher IQ scores spend significantly more time in observation mode than in active social engagement. You're not quiet because you have nothing to say. You're quiet because you're processing what everyone else is missing. You don't have 50 friends. Maybe you have 2, maybe 3, and people judge you for that. But here's the truth. A landmark study from Oxford University by Professor Robin Dunbar found that highly intelligent individuals deliberately shrink their social circles because they understand something most people don't. Energy is finite. Every shallow relationship you avoid is energy redirected toward growth, creativity, and depth. You're not failing at friendship. You're upgrading it. You've never fit perfectly into any group, any job, any crowd, any mold. And for years, maybe that felt like a curse. But consider this. Every single person who changed, the world felt exactly like you. Uncomfortable, misunderstood, alone. Darwin was called foolish. Van Gogh sold one painting. In his lifetime, Nikola Tesla died penniless and alone. History doesn't remember the ones who fit in. It remembers the ones who refuse to. Your discomfort with normalcy isn't a flaw. It's the first sign of something extraordinary. So the next time someone calls you a loner, smile, because now you know what they don't. If this video felt like it was written for you, it was. Subscribe, because next week we're going even deeper. And trust me, you don't want to miss